Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am doing a makeup look inspired by Shay Mitchell, done by the makeup artist Patrick Ta. I'm diving right into the Kiehl's facial cream and putting that all over my face. I am then priming my eyelids and then using the Sultry palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and using the shade Birch and putting that above my crease as my transition shade. This is a very warm light brown shadow. I am then going into Twig to darken up my crease and add a little bit of depth. To add the smoky effect, I'm using Dystopian and packing that all over my lid. This is a very important step when you do a smoky look, to blend out that harsh dark line. I'm then going into Farcelli Unicorn Essence Primer.
I'm losing my mind, oh yeah, I just can't take it. No, I'm in the corner, yeah, I'm bleeding on the road.
To add a more dewy finish to my skin, I am adding the Marc Jacobs Do You drops and putting that all over my face and blending that right into my skin. For foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I am blending that right into my skin with the Morphe sponge, one of the best sponges on the market. To bronze up my skin, I'm using, of course, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and I'm just putting that all over. To brighten up under my eyes, I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, also putting it all over my face to help my foundation stay on and not slip away.